Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to register an LLC. First, select a unique name for your business that complies with state naming rules. Next, you'll need to appoint a registered agent, an individual or company authorized to receive official mail and legal documents on your LLC's behalf. Finally, prepare and submit your articles of organization to the appropriate state agency, typically the Secretary of State. This document formally establishes your LLC. After your LLC is formed, secure an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business, essential for taxes and banking. Then, create an operating agreement. This crucial document details ownership percentages, management structure, and member responsibilities, even for single-member LLCs. Lastly, open a separate business bank account to keep personal and business finances distinct. To ensure ongoing compliance, research and obtain all required federal, state, and local business licenses and permits for your specific industry. Many states also require LLCs to file annual reports, so be sure to understand and meet these deadlines to keep your business in good standing. Always maintain strict separation between your personal and business finances for legal and tax clarity. Forming an LLC offers significant advantages, primarily providing personal liability protection, shielding your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits. You also gain flexibility in tax elections, potentially choosing to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even an S corporation. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other exclusive deals to help your business thrive. This can be a great resource for staying focused and hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.